United States of America, before whom I think one of their Congress committees, you appeared and said that I am unfortunately a citizen of an extremely intolerant country. Your favorite country, John Dayal, liquidated Osama bin Laden. Did you complain? The innocent Osama bin Laden, even if Osama is a terrorist, should have been treated well. He should have been given a proper state funeral. That his relatives should have had access to pay the last respects to him, his body not dumped into some ocean. Did you complain that America is a very intolerant country? No, did you say that America is a very intolerant country to be liquidating Osama bin Laden like this? So what if he carried out 9/11? He still has his human rights. Did you say that? Did you say that? Did you say that? Did you say that?
You seem to be in love with the US.
You seem to be paranoid about. Did you tell the United States?
Go ahead and emulate the US.
Did you tell the US? Because you went crying to the US.
In love with the US.
You went crying to the US. And you